you do more than H1Bs. You do all sorts of cases, O1s and stuff like that too. What is like your go-to case type? Is it still H1B, or I mean, this is more of a cap season kind of thing. But do you what's your other primary case that you like to do?
Well, the cases I like to do and the cases I get, might different things. H1Bs are pretty standard fare. And because I spent time doing the volume work, H1Bs are pretty easy for me to comprehend and to put together and to submit. So I get a lot of those. And then in addition to that, there's always going to be a perm on down the road from an H1B. So that's going to happen. And then they want the green card, filing green cards for the kids. Yeah. So I guess if I looked up at my case list, H1B to perm to green card is probably going to be the thing I file most often. I particularly like artists or anything to do with the arts, whether it be museums or cultural exchange programs, artists in particular with O1s. I really like that. I wish I got more of those, and I cherish every one that I get, because that's what I actually really like.
Yeah, those are my favorites, the EB1A extraordinary ability, except they take so much time. There's so much review and like that's just like it's so draining. But and then especially like I don't do O's, but there's just like people doing O's at like rock bottom prices. So I'm like, how could you even do an analysis of this case for this price or even break it down? So the marketplace for O's is really weird, and I'm sure there are apps and computer systems they're making to try to like commoditize it a certain way. It's a weird area of practice, but if you get a client that appreciates what value you're bringing, it can be a lot of fun, especially if they do interesting stuff and learning about their field.